What if my passport was lost? Hi, my name is Alejandro, and I work on the quality assurance team here at HelloGov. If your passport was lost, the first step is simply getting your replacement application started. The easiest way to do that is by completing our AI-guided application process. Once you finish, we'll generate your pre-filled DS11 and DS64 forms and provide clear, step-by-step instructions on exactly what to bring to your appointment. We take care of preparing the paperwork so the process feels organized and straightforward.